Okay, y'all. Finally, after 2 years of me working and promoting my skincare product, F1 Cosmetics, it is finally here. So I just wanted to give you guys a little short tutorial of how I use it and how I've been using it for the past couple of years to get my skin like this. First, I start with my Clarity Cleanser. And you don't need that much of this. You only need a little dab. A little bit goes a long way. So I just dab a little bit and get it all foamed up. And as you can see, it foams up really, really, really well. It's meant, like, I really worked on it to, like, get in the pores and, like, deep clean the pores. So, you know, when you wear makeup and stuff like that, it will really, like, deep clean your skin and get down in there and push all the dirt out. So it's for all skin types, male or female. And I just lather it in really good. Don't forget to get your neck. I like to let mine sit for a second. Really get in there and scrub all up in here. And like I said, that little bitty dime size went a long way. So I rinse her off. Oh, it feels so good. Okay. Okay, guys, so after you've washed and thoroughly rinsed your face off, pat her dry, or him. Like I said, don't forget your neck. You have to. Okay, next I have my magnifying moisturizer. And this is, I mean, all my products are my favorite, but this, I shed blood, sweat, and tears over, like, to get this to what I really wanted it to be. It's very smooth, airy cream. It's not oily at all. And you just need this much, not much at all. Make sure you put it on your fingertips and warm it up. Warm her up. And gently press into the face. A little goes a long way, y'all. Like, you don't need a lot. Press her in. Don't forget the neck. Please don't forget the neck. Ah! And it just gives you a moisturized, deep clean feeling where you know your skin is being taken care of. So I mashed all of the product in. Oh, it's so smooth. Look, y'all. So I let that give or take a minute or so, get into my pores. Oh, it feels so good, like velvet. It is so smooth. Oh my God. Flawless Hydrating Mist, definitely one of my favorites. All my products are my favorite. I like worked so hard for a couple of years on these just to make sure it gave you, you know, all the minerals and vitamins that you need for your skin. And I feel like this is one of those things you just carry around in your purse and just refresh every day. That is definitely what it is, a refresher. So I just shake her up. It can act as a toner as well. And the F1 experience is amazing. Definitely feel like a new shined up diamond out of the roof. Whatever dirt and oils are in your skin and your pores, I guarantee you after you use this product, it's going to be a totally different story. Like I said, I've been working on this for you guys for 2 years, and I just wanted it to be perfect before I came out, and I've used it and tested it and been in the lab with all these people trying to make sure that this is the best product out as far as skincare is concerned. And as you can see, it is. So you guys, go onto my site, f1cosmetics.com. Get your whole set. I recommend that you get the whole routine, but if you want to just start with certain products, that's fine as well. Thank you guys for tuning in and supporting F1 Cosmetics. Shine like a diamond, bright. F1, the highest diamond on the chart. Flawless.